Hello, my name is Dario Gonzalez, and this is the video for user story number 2805, Agent Listing Claiming. I am working on the agent with the agent team on the BreazeHome 5.0 release, and our mentor is Masood Sajadi. So what is this feature? Well, what this does is it adds a list of an agent's listings on BreazeHome to their profile page. So basically, when you're logged in as an agent, you when you're logged in as an agent and you go to your profile page, if you click on the listings tab, you'll be presented with a list of all the properties that you have that there are on BreazeHome associated to your license number. And this story was done in tandem with Dane Parchment. He made the main profile page, and this was one of the tabs he implemented, and I implemented all the functionality associated with that tab. So let's take a look at what it does. So here is BreazeHome with Dane's profile page on it, and previously reviews listings was just like reviews, it was unimplemented. Now what I've done is I've added this properties. I've made it so that you can see the agent's properties. Each item has the listing number, the address if it's available, as well as the price and the year that the last change was made to that property's information on BreazeHome. So if we go to one in particular, you can see that it's the associated listing page. So now I want to take a look at the code. First, on the back end, I added basically another view that allows, I added another endpoint basically that allows a user, or that allows a request to be made that returns properties that match a given license number for an agent. And here's what that endpoint looks like. And I also had to add right here one more router entry. But overall the backend was fairly easy. Now I want to look at the front end. So first the HTML, we see here the Dane's profile page, and I've added the associated HTML, which does a lookup into the back, and it ng repeats over all the details, that all the particular property details that are available. So whether the agent has 10 properties or if they have 5 properties, it'll show them all dynamically. And here we have the JavaScript. It makes a call to the backend, and here I'm using a dummy or one particular license number that I know has several properties on BreazeHome, just to make things easier to demonstrate. But as I've explained here in this comment, it would be extremely simple to replace it with the actual agent's license number, which is right here. So I've outlined that there, so in the future if anybody wants to change it to reflect the actual agents, it's a trivial swap. And lastly, the styling to make it all look nice. So now I want to briefly talk over, mention this wish list, which is this. I was unable to add the complementary functionality to the listings detail page. So what that means is, on the listing, when you go to an agent, there should be a way to select the agent and go to their profile page if that agent has created an account on BreazeHome. I didn't have time to implement that, but it shouldn't be difficult to do it in another sprint, or for somebody else to take up in a different semester. It would also require a public agent profile to be created and a way to access agents from the main page. So when the agent finder functionality is fully implemented, these two things will tie in nicely. So again, my name is Dario Gonzalez, and our mentor is Masood Sajadi, and this is our contact information. Thank you.